1. Who was the first woman to be elected as the Prime Minister of a country? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Sirimavo Bandaranaike. C. Margaret Thatcher. D. Golda Meir. Answer. B. Sirimavo Bandaranaike. 2. Which Indian state shares its border with the maximum number of states? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Bihar. D. Rajasthan. Answer. A. Uttar Pradesh. 3. What is the total number of chromosomes in a human cell? A. 46. B. 44. C. 48. D. 42. Answer. A. 46. 4. Which freedom fighter is also known as Punjab Kesari? A. Lala Lajpat Rai. B. Bhagat Singh. C. Udham Singh. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Answer. A. Lala Lajpat Rai. 5. What is the folk dance of Gujarat? A. Garba. B. Bhangra. C. Kathakali. D. Bharatnatyam. Answer. A. Garba. 6. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? A. 100 degrees Celsius. B. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. C. Both are and B. D. None of the above. Answer. C. Both are and B. 7. Who built the Sun Temple at Konark? A. Narasimhadeva I. B. Chandragupta Maurya. C. Ashoka. D. Harsha. Answer. A. Narasimhadeva I. 8. Which constitutional amendment in India lowered the voting age from 21 years to 18 years? A. 42nd Amendment. B. 61st Amendment. Circa 44th Amendment. D. 52nd Amendment. Answer. B. 61st Amendment. 9. Which is the only Indian state that shares its border with Sikkim? A. Assam. B. West Bengal. C. Bihar. D. Jharkhand. Answer. B. West Bengal. 10. The first woman to preside over the United Nations General Assembly was from which country? A. India. B. USA. C. Norway. D. Brazil. Answer. A. India. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. 11. Who is credited with developing the polio vaccine? A. Alexander Fleming. B. Jonas Salk. C. Edward Jenner. D. Louis Pasteur. Answer. B. Jonas Salk. 12. What is the name of the outermost layer of the Sun? A. Photosphere. B. Chromosphere. C. Corona. D. Troposphere. Answer. C. Corona. 13. Which gland in the human body is both endocrine and exocrine in nature? A. Thyroid. B. Pancreas. C. Adrenal. D. Pituitary. Answer. B. Pancreas. 14. What is the speed of sound in air at 20 degrees Celsius? A. 331 meters per second. B. 343 meters per second. Circa 300 meters per second. D. 350 meters per second. Answer. B. 343 meters per second. 15. Who was the founder of the Rashtrakuta dynasty? A. Amoghavarsa. B. Dantidurga. C. Krishna I. D. Govinda III. Answer. B. Dantidurga. 16. Which Indian scientist invented the crucigraph? A. C. V. Raman. B. J. C. Bose. C. Homi Bhabha. D. Vikram Sarabhai. Answer. B. J. C. Bose. 17. What is the formula for calculating work in physics? A. Work equals force times time. B. Work equals force times distance. C. Work equals mass times acceleration. D. Work equals energy times time. Answer. B. Work equals force times distance. 18. The Ganga River originates from which glacier? A. Gangotri. B. Siachen. C. Zemu. D. Pindri. Answer: A. Gangotri. 19. Who discovered the radio waves? A. Heinrich Hertz. B. James Clerk Maxwell. C. Nikola Tesla. D. Alexander Fleming. Answer: A. Heinrich Hertz. 20. What is the name of the largest volcano in the world? A. Mount Etna. B. Mount St. Helens. C. Mauna Loa. D. Mount Fuji. Answer: C. Mauna Loa. 21. Which chemical is used in the preservation of food as a common salt? A. Sodium nitrate. B. Sodium chloride. C. Sodium carbonate. D. Sodium hydroxide. Answer: B. Sodium chloride. 22. Which is the first biosphere reserve in India? A. Sundarbans. B. Nanda Devi. C. Nilgiri. D. Gulf of Mannar. Answer: C. Nilgiri. 23. Who was the first Indian to win the Fields Medal, considered the Nobel Prize in Mathematics? A. C.R. Rao. B. Manjul Bhargava. C. Srinivasa Ramanujan. D. Harish Chandra. Answer: B. Manjul Bhargava. 24. What is the theme of the 2023 International Day of Yoga? A. Yoga for Humanity. B. Yoga for Health. C. Yoga for Wellness. D. Yoga for Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Answer: D. Yoga for Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. 25. Which state is the largest producer of bauxite in India? A. Orissa. B. Jharkhand. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Chhattisgarh. Answer: A. Orissa.